What's up guys, how are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today's reaction is going to be Shanti 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 by Baby Metal, and I'm so happy to know that Baby Metal have sung something from India. The word Shanti means peace. So yeah, let's find out what all words they have used in the song. Let's start the reaction. Let's begin. Wow. Okay, I really love the beginning, and they have used Indian music, and I think I already heard two Sanskrit word, um, prana, I think, and the other one, I think it's chakra. I should write it down so that I can explain later after watching the video. Okay, let's continue watching. Wow. Okay, so if you see or notice that there is a cut portion in the reaction video, I would like you to know that the video ended unexpectedly, so I had to react to it again. The ending portion of so it looks different, so I have merged it right now. And yeah, having said that, let's talk about the Sanskrit word that I have come across, and I have written it down. So the first one I have come across was the prana or pran, which means life or existence of life. So that was prana, or pran means. The second is chakra. Chakra is the the power of life that we believe, and we have 7 chakras in our body, the first one being the crown, and it means spirituality. And then we have the third eye, and it means awareness. Lord Shiva has it. And then we have the throat, and it's for communication, of course. And then we have the heart, and it's for, you know, love, healing. And we have the solar, and it is for the wisdom. And then below that we have the sacral, which is for the creativity. And the last one is the base, and it's for the, you know, basic trust we have among humanity. So yeah, have I said all of them? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I have said all of them. So these are the chakras. So let's talk about the third. We have a sun samsara. Okay, I'm not sure whether they said sansara or samsara. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the meaning of both. If they have said sansara, that it means the world. Sansar or sansara means world. Or if they have said samsara, not sansara, then samsara means cycle of life, you know, the existence, the world, like that. And the next is next is Maya. Maya is a very complex word. It's like kind of power, moh Maya, as we say. It's like the power that everyone has. It's kind of like that. So Maya is that, but it has very deeper meaning. So I'll take a lot of time to talk about that. So yeah, let's say that it's mostly power and magical, something magic, you know, very strong, powerful. It's like that. Moksha. Moksha means you know, release of when people believe that we are born again and again. It's the cycle of life. We die and then we are born again in another person, another body, and then it's like that. So if we you know, moksha, if you say moksha, receiving moksha, that means we are released from the cycle of life and then we are free. Moksha can also be said as mukti. So yeah, that is one of the word that is like similar to moksha. So it releases you from the cycle of life. That means moksha. Mantra. Mantra is it's the prayer. Mantra is the chanting that we chant, you know, that is called mantra. And Shanti, you already know that it's called peace, and then we add it along Om Shanti. And like my ancestors and the Pandits have been chanting on Om from the very beginning. They show in the, you know, people in the shows, and then written in books, that everything started from the word Om. And the Om has around frequency of 432 hertz, and it seems every living being give out this frequency 432 hertz. And it's really amazing to know that how did our ancestors came to know and started chanting about the word Om. And like, it's the existence of, you know, all the living beings, the frequency that all the living beings sends out. So it's very interesting. Okay, the next is karma, and everyone knows about karma. If you want me to explain, then okay, if someone has done bad to me, or maybe if I have done someone bad to them, okay, so suppose someone did bad to me, and I don't want that person to, you know, I don't want to take revenge, okay, because I don't listen. But anyhow, karma will get the person in the similar way that what that person has done to me. So that person somewhere in his life will face the similar consequences that person has done wrong to me. So that is karma. You always get the karma. And karma will also be like, if you have done something good, if that person has done something good to me, then that person, something good will happen to that person as well. So that is karma. Such beautiful words they have added to the lyrics. And okay, talking about the music was awesome, the dance was awesome. I was not offended by anything because it's a, you know, very controversial. It can be very controversial if something goes wrong. So, and people takes it to their heart, like about the culture, religion, and all. But yeah, everything was so perfect, and I loved it. I enjoyed watching her. I all three of them. My god, Sue Metal's voice is so amazing. Oh god, I got goosebumps listening to her. Sue Metal, okay, her name is Suzuka, right? Reminds me of Doraemon. So cliche, right? So Sue Metal's voice is so amazing and sounded that little vibrations and the things, you know, the area of portion of the singing she did was like so Indian, and she did so well. Like that kind of music is not from just Japanese, and that kind of music doesn't exist in Japan. And you know, taking something from a different culture and singing it so beautifully is like such praiseworthy. So yeah, her voice was really very good. Last in the last video, I could say her voice was good, but in this video, like it was more clear that how talented she is, how strong her voice is, and how versatile her voice is. So yeah, that's it. Do I have something else to say? Yeah, 528 hertz. Mm. Okay, the 528 hertz is the frequency that, you know, people say that it heals the DNA, which is like which needs repair. I just wanted to add that because all the chakras, what's wrong with me? Okay, all the chakras has different frequencies. So coming to the frequency, around the solar plexus has 528 uh, frequency, I guess. No, the solar plexus doesn't have, as far as I remember. But anyways, 528 hertz is the frequency that, you know, heals the cells and the DNA. I don't remember, sorry, the exact frequencies of all the chakras. I have read it before, but I don't remember exactly, so I'm not gonna say it here because people will be like, no, this wasn't exactly the number of this chakra, it was this. So I don't want to create anything like that. You can go Google it and check out the frequencies of the chakras if you want to know. So yeah, that's it, I guess. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Do love yourself and respect yourself and do what you love. And I'll see you next time. Stay healthy and stay happy. Bye bye.